Hey everybody, so this is a follow-up video, part 2 of the 2015 Honda Accord with all those problems that I had with the surging and stalling and not starting properly and not going above 20 miles an hour. So the problem was let's come over here, the throttle body, which is the drive-by-wire. It is electronically controlled. You got your flap right there. Was a lot of not a lot though, it was just kind of consistent with the age of the vehicle. 120,000 miles. Some carbon buildup on that side there. As you can see, I already performed the job. And I bought this carburetor, or the throttle body and air intake cleaner. So all you do basically is you got to dismantle everything. You take off your hoses, pipes, just loosen these screws on the side and just pop everything off. Use hose clamps or pliers like this to remove these little metal things that hold the pipes on there. Once you take that off, as you can see, you won't be able to move that, so you gotta turn on the key on the accessory mode, but do not start the engine. Just turn it on the accessory mode and have somebody hold the gas pedal all the way down. Make sure that they do not let go of that gas pedal. And if you're working by yourself, you might need to use a prop, like a big pipe or something, and stick it in the driver's seat, and you can hold that open. Once this is open, it is advisable not to spray this can directly in there. What I did was I sprayed some in this rag right here, and then you just basically I sprayed it and I just wrap it around my finger like that, sprayed it on my finger side, and then I just cleaned while that thing was open. While the flap was open, I would clean thoroughly all on the back sides. You just got to get every nook and cranny you can. Just a little bit of buildup can cause a lot of drivability problems. Now that's cleaned up. Once you clean that up right now, you are gonna have to obviously put everything back together. But I'm performing some other stuff. I got to clean the battery and everything. Like the battery terminals are kind of corroded. And I got to perform some more work on the car. Once I put everything back together, it's not done. You got to do a throttle body relearn procedure, which I'm gonna make a part 3 video about this, and I'm gonna explain to you how the procedure is performed on all Honda vehicles, Honda with the V6 and Acura counterparts and everything. So thanks for tuning in. You guys have a great one.